Hi mate, my name's Simon from Little Big Marketing. I spoke to you earlier. You asked me to send this video link through to you in a text. So I'm not going to chew up too much of your time. This is going to go for about 5 minutes, and I'm just going to explain how ranking your page on page one of Google for a bunch of keywords is going to help you generate a ton more business. So the three things I want to go through are content on your website, backlinks and citations, and keywords. So starting with content, I'm just going to go through here. You haven't got a lot of wording, so Google likes to see at least 1,500 words on a home page just so we can determine exactly what your website is, what you're selling, and establishes whether there's enough relevant information for a customer who might come across it. So definitely need to get about 1,500 to 2,000 words and possibly some more optimized images, which I can explain another time if you're interested. I put your website into a tool called Ahrefs, which buys statistics from Google and presents them to us in a nice, easy to read way and tells us what's going on in the background of your site. The idea to get your site ranked is by building these little circles. So UR is URL rating, and this is domain rating. Basically, this is your entire site, and this is the address of your site. So to build these, mainly your domain rating, is done by getting backlinks. Backlinks are any link coming back to your site from any other website, or in other words, if someone were to click on a link in that site and it takes them back to your website, that's called a backlink, and they come from referring domains or other websites. So you want to get as many of these referring domains with backlinks as you can, and that's going to build your little orange circle, and that's going to then allow you to rank for a lot more keywords. I had a look at the keywords that you're ranking for, mainly your own name, so that's pretty common, but you're only on page one for your exact name. So that's something that you need to get some more keywords in there, and that's how having that 1,500 words on your homepage allows you to get a lot more keywords in there. Keywords are just search terms that people might put into Google to find a company like yours. Now, I put in LED lighting installation San Diego, assuming that's relevant to you. A few things I want to go through really quick. Number one is these boxes here are basically pay-per-click adverts. So you only pay for it when someone physically clicks on the link and takes them to your website. Really good because they're Google guaranteed, so people tend to trust them and they use them a lot. Not available for all industries, but electricians it is something you could look at using if you really wanted to get some quick business. They're a lot better than these ones. These are the same idea, pay per click, but these don't get clicked on as a lot because they say the word ad there. People sort of steer away from them. They come down to the organic search results or the unpaid search results. Before we go there, I want to point out that I couldn't find you in the map pack at all. I'm sure you guys have got Google My Business. If not, you really need to get one because anyone that searches anything near me or whatnot, it's going to come up in here, and they tend to click on that a lot. This is used massively on mobile phones. And to get yourself into the map pack, if you have got a Google My Business, you need to go out and place citations. Citations are basically any listing on like Yellow Pages or Yelp that have your business name, the address, and your phone number as seen on your Google My Business. And the more of those and more reviews you've got will start pushing you up into this map pack, and you'll start seeing a lot of business through that. Now, trying to get you ranked onto page one of Google with those backlinks and referring domains, I've had a look and I see that you've got a couple of competitions here for that specific search term. So I've had a look at theirs. This looks like maybe a bit of an older site. They've got a little bit of content there, but still not a lot. Easy to beat for you guys. And I put them into Ahrefs as well. You can see here, they've got 91 referring domains. Because they've got so many backlinks coming from so many referring domains, it hasn't pushed their numbers up as much as it should. That's something they're sort of not doing, perfectly or effectively. But you can see they've got a lot more keywords and a lot more organic traffic per month. So if we have a look at some of the keywords they're ranking for, and we click on position just so we see which ones they're on page one for. Their name, of course, ceiling fan repair. I mean, there's going to be tons that they're on page one for here. I'm just scrolling down here, and you can see all the, the relevant search volume. It's only getting 7 clicks here, 4 clicks there, 2, 3, but that builds up to that 200 and something clicks per month, organic traffic per month, which then ends up with a lot more phone calls. They could be doing a lot better than this, which is what you would aim to do, is get these a lot higher, and that organic traffic will be higher again. Now, the next competition with these guys looks like a slightly newer site. Once again, hardly any content. Otherwise, an okay looking site. Put them in here. You can see they got a lot of backlinks, but hardly any domains. So it's really suboptimal. You want to see these around 50, and you can do that with just 100 or 200 backlinks, referring domains if you get the right ones. So if you're around 50 or 60, this organic traffic would be 5 times that amount, and you'd be getting a ton of calls. So with that, I'm not going to chew up any more time. I'm just going to point out again that the 3 things were content, backlinks and citations, and keywords. Once you get ranked on page 1 of Google, you can expect to start seeing a lot more traffic. This is your competition here, and you're getting 1 click a month, and that's from someone searching in your own name. So I'll leave you with that. I hope you got something out of this, and let me know if you're interested. Once again, my name's Simon from Little Big Marketing here in San Diego. Thanks, mate. Bye.